Welcome along to the Video Swiper Training Academy. In this video we're going to be showing you how to add your first website to Video Swiper itself. Now by now you should have got your first website installed on your server. You should also have joined Video Swiper, and you should have also downloaded the correct plugin for your script and uploaded that to your server too. If you haven't yet, go here to Bootcamp and let's just quickly show you. And when you're in Bootcamp, scroll down to the area here, adding the required plugin to your website. There you go, and click on that video and it will show you there how to add the plugin to your website. Now what we're going to do in this video, as I said before, is show you how to add your first website, and we are going to use WordPress again as our example site. So let's go to our Video Swiper account. And on the left here you would need to go down to Add Edit Websites. Once in there you can see that no sites were found. Please add a site. Now this message will only show if it's the first time you're using it. Let's add our site. There we go. So phpmotion.com, that's the site gone in, and this is where our website is. If it was in a subdomain, you would need to put the subdomain address there. If it was in a subfolder, you would need to put the web address and then the subfolder at the end too. Okay, so again though, for WordPress, let me point out, don't put WP admin or anything like that here. It's just the web address to the root of where you've installed it. We then check the URL, and we can see that we get an error coming from our website which states that the videos folder is not found. Please create videos folder in root directory. Now the great thing about the adding of a new site in here in Video Swiper is it will always give you error messages and tell you what the errors are, so you can try and put them right yourself. And obviously if you can't put them right yourself, you come to the support area, open a help desk ticket and tell the technicians what the error message was that you were given. So let's go to our FTP client, and here we have our WordPress site, and as you can see there's thumbs, WP admin, WP content and WP includes, so there is no videos folder. So let's right click, let's make a videos folder. We then need to give this video folder permission of 777 so it's writable. Okay, so videos folder now at 777 writable. Let's go back here and check the URL again, and we can see now a successful message that our API, the VSMod, our API file, was found and all checks were successful. There's our API file in here. There you go, VSMod, and Video Swiper has found that file and checked that it's valid. You now need to put your login username and your login password here. Now for WordPress, that will be your admin login name and your admin password. But for any of the other scripts, you can basically you need to create a member account. You need to create user accounts on your websites that are fake, and those were the ones you'd use here. So basically if you are running ClipBucket, ClipShare, PHPMotion, VShare, whichever one of those, you basically create a new member, and you verify that new member, and then you use those members' username and password details to put here into Video Swiper. You don't use your admin, okay? Only for WordPress you use your admin. So we put our admin username and our admin password here, like so, and we now check that the login details are also correct. And there we go, we have another message checking the login for phpmotion-com, php-motion.com, and the login was successful. Now the next one down will tell you what the action type is, whether it's embedding videos or downloading videos. Now unless you've got particular special plugins on your WordPress, you won't be able to use the download videos because WordPress by default will only mass embed. So we choose embedding videos, and then here you put your site name, and this can be any name you want just to reference your site. So PHP Motion Site 1. We then press add new site, and just give this a second. Here we go, and there we go, our site is now added, and that's for embedding videos. Automation is off, and there are only one category on the website, and it was added on the 26th of May 2011. We can go into there, by the way, now, and we can take a look at the details here, and we're going to look in more detail at all of this section down here in another video. But for now, we're just setting up our first account in VideoSwiper in this particular video. So I'll show you just this first top section, which is part of your account. Your account type is embedding videos, site name, site URL, username and password, translation, and I'll show you there's another video I'm going to show you about that, so we're going to leave that for now. The size of the embed player, the width and the height, how height and what the width should be, whether video should auto start or not, and whether you're using a custom player like JW Player or not. And we'll just save that again, even though we haven't really made any changes there. So that's basically how you do it. Go back to my sites and see, and there's our PHP Motion Site 1. Now you've got your plugin installed to your WordPress or your website, and you've now also got your website connected to VideoSwiper. That's it. You're now ready to start using the system and bulk sending videos directly to your websites. If you need any further help on adding websites, then please do open a support ticket. Thank you for watching this video.